Well, it's the one for the money, two for the show. Get ready now, go, cat, go.
If you are looking for something that is just going to steal your heart away, this is it. The 1956 Bel Air, and she is beautiful. All your bright work, all of your chrome have all been done for you. All the glass is clean. It is beautiful car, and this interior, it is to die for. It is gorgeous. It is running a fuel-injected 383 at 400 plus horsepower. She has that deep rumble we all love and we need, don't we? It has a 700 R4 automatic transmission, so you got all the highway gears. Made it to a 9-inch carrier with the 370 gears, so she will definitely get you down the road. Everything on the car is at a level that is ready for you. This is a gorgeous car. Absolutely. It's one of those you're going to have to come down and see it for yourself. Once you do, you'll respect what this build is. It is beautiful. Wait till I put it up on the rack for you and you see every nut and washer is perfect. I mean, she is at a level all of her own. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this beautiful 56. The car has an emergency e-brake. Let me turn off the light so that you can see it. Simply hit the button. As you see, the e-brake is on. To turn it off, simply start the car. there's one flaw in the paint I want to point out to you. If you come just underneath, you literally have to be underneath it to see it. Can you see that? What an absolutely beautiful 56 Bel Air she really is. Remember, this is a full frame off build, so everything is done. There's no rust issues, there's no rock chips, there's nothing like that. She is show ready for you. Now, let's do a quick recap. It is a 383 fuel injected stroker at 400 plus horsepower, has a nice cam sound to her, made it to a 700R transmission, a 9-inch carrier with 370 gears. And it is a vintage air and heat. She has it all, she really does. I know you're going to have tons of questions. My name is Sean, this is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.